So we went into Binion's, put in our $10 free play. You guys seen that, $1.25 we won back. Alright, we are in day 5 of the Vegas trip. Got some good news. Officially hired at the job, and we start in August. So just got to make sure the realtor and the mortgage company let me, well, not the realtor, but the mortgage company let me use this new hiring stuff to get approved for a loan. And man, we're almost there. So we're gonna go look at some townhomes today. What else do we have going? We got the slot pull, we got the Fremont Street walk around, we got a bunch of other fun stuff we're gonna do today. We're gonna try to experience a couple new places to eat. There's been a couple places closed down, but last night we hit up Carlos and Charlie's from Groupon that I talked about, and yeah, it was an awesome time. The guy gave us a big old yard drink at the end. I was like, you didn't have to do that, bro. You didn't have to do that, but thank you. And we have our Life Crusher apparel stuff on today, so we're gonna crush it on the slot pull. Hopefully all of us win some money, please. By the time you're watching this, we either won or lost. But yeah, you guys are gonna follow along as usual, and we will see you out there. We decided to go play the Buffalo at Treasure Island. You know, we're looking for other games. We're like, we'll just try the Buffalo. Well, I put in the first 20. Me and Mom lost that decently quick. Mom keeps putting her hand in the mud over here, so. But anyways, we hit that pretty, went through that 20 really quick. Let's try 20 more. Mom's like, are you sure? Are you sure? I'm like, yeah, just 20 more. If we lose it, oh well. And boom. Bonus, we kept re-triggering. We won like $229 on that bonus, so that puts us up $198 at that point. Then we end up losing 20 on another machine, so $178 for the day. That's not too bad. We're over here waiting for the Uber. We're gonna check out New York again, guys. Played this horse race game. It was so fun last night. We didn't win a ton of money. We lost, I think, $15, but we were there a while to lose $15. So. And then we played some blackjack and we won 48 bucks up there. But we were already up almost 180 today, so if we can go ahead and redeem ourselves on that, that would be sweet. But we're gonna go up there. Mom, you have anything to say? But we did get some good news, and I'll share that with you guys very soon. We made it to New York. We're gonna try it out over here and see how we do, but we're gonna head downtown very soon because we gotta get some stuff going. Plus we want to try whiskey liquor up for our food review channel. We just grabbed 2 slices of Syracuse pizza again. It's alright pizza, but a beer and a slice for $10. So we did that real quick. We're gonna go play this horse game, and hopefully we hit something. But then we gotta head downtown very soon. So I went into New York with his help and started playing horse race game. Well, that didn't go well. We lost 50 bucks pretty quick. Then we put 20 on another machine, blackjack, playing blackjack, and it was down to like 5 bucks. And then I doubled down a couple hands, end up being up 20 bucks, so we cashed out. So we're up 148 for the day. Now we're gonna head downtown. We got a bunch of free slot plays. We're gonna do a little coupon run downtown and see how we do. We'll use all of our $10. We'll hit the button, say 10 times the dollar spend, and show whatever's left. And after the 5 different casinos, we'll see what we won on free play. Went into Binion's, put in our $10 free play. You guys seen that, $1.25 we won back. So hopefully Four Queens can be a little more, less frugal, I should say, and we can win something in here. But at least it's a profit, $1.25. Third stop, Plaza, and we got El Cortez, and one other one, I can't remember which one the 5th one is, but we're up $23 on the free slot play. So hopefully we can win again on this hotel and see what we do at the end. Just got out of the downtown Grand. You had to put 20 bucks in to get that free play. So I put 20, they gave me 20 free play and hit $16. So $4 loss there. We're up $31 on the free play, and that's the last one we're gonna go to. We're kind of running out of time here. We've got to get the live stream up. Good morning, everybody. It is day 6 in Las Vegas. We got the Famous Minds gear on today. I apologize, everybody, for not ending the streams. I went to end the stream yesterday after the live slot pull. By the way, we had a success of the live slot pull. Won $100 between all of us. Mr. Shannon Neon Vacation showed up, showed the love. I appreciate you, bro. And yeah, we had a lot of fun with it. Wouldn't mind doing it again in the future. Maybe do it a little different way, because everybody's doing slot pulls now. We want to do something different to be innovative. But today we're gonna go meet with the realtor, look at a few more homes. Hopefully we can make an offer on one of these, because I did get the job down here. So that's what we got planned. And then I think me and Mom and Shannon are all gonna meet up tonight and have a nice dinner somewhere. And then of course 4th of July is tomorrow. But you guys are gonna come with me. We got a lot of footage. I ran out of a room on my other SD card. That's why I couldn't end the vlog yesterday. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get going. It's about almost noon right now. We're gonna go downstairs and gamble for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna get picked up at 2:30 to go look at these homes, and that's where you're going with us, guys. And tonight should be fun, and then tomorrow, 4th of July, like I mentioned, we're gonna get it going. Trying to put an offer into place. Hopefully it gets approved. It's a little on my high-end budget, but I think we can get approved. It's really nice. You guys probably seen some photos, but we picked up some In-N-Out burger. Big shout out to Steve Carter. Awesome dude. He's the one that bought the food. I told him, you don't gotta buy the food, bro. We can buy the food. He bought it anyway, but we're gonna eat this food and then we're going to catch up with Nee on vacation and figure out something for dinner tonight. We just wanted something quick and easy, a little snack kind of. We've been losing our ass gambling. I ain't gonna lie. It's been a really bad day gambling. So we've been coming up with this plan. We're like, all right, we'll do some low rolling, 40-cent bets. We had $20 and we made 15 earlier. So we're gonna take 20 of it, see if we can double it, and then go to the next place, double, you know, until we kind of build up our bankroll. Started off hot and drizzled away, guys. Put in 10, got to 20. Turned 20 into 47, and then look, back down to 20. So we're trying to jump from machine to machine and see if we can hit something, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. We're gonna keep rolling with it. Hopefully we don't lose that little bankroll we have. It's alright if we do. You've seen it, 0, 0, 0. We didn't do shit on that low roller challenge. We ended up losing it. Well, we started with 10, so really we only lost $10, really. But I don't know, it didn't go good. It started going good, then we got on a couple machines, super tight slots. So I mean, $2,500 later. No, not that much, but at least $1,200. So it's been kind of a rough trip, but I've had to put an offer in on the home, and hopefully we get accepted for that offer. So we'll see what happens. It didn't go good. You've seen it, guys. Every time we'd get like a full screen of buffaloes or we'd miss one row. We'd get 2 coins instead of the 3 coins. And I swear, I don't know what's been going on, but everybody around us has been winning. We'll sit down at a table and everybody, jackpot over there, you know, 53 games over here, like, oh, bonus round. I'm like, oh my God, man, if anybody wants to win, just come around me and Mom. If you see us anywhere in a casino, just sit next to us, you'll hit a jackpot immediately. That's how I feel, guys, for real. But I don't know what's going on. We're trying the low roll. We got it up to 47, and then lost that and another 20. So down 30 for the low roll challenge, which ain't that much money really, but still, like, man, I think 20 bucks is the maximum budget for the rest of this challenge, and if we hit to 30, we're cashing out. But it's getting about later at night, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. Oh man, we're back in the room. The low roller challenge went terrible. I mean, not the worst ever, but it was pretty bad. We ended up losing like 50 bucks down there. But it's all good. We actually grabbed some food now. We're just gonna have a couple sandwiches, some chips, and a couple drinks. We got a little budget for tomorrow, 4th of July. I want to do some videos too, so that's probably going to be the end of the vlog, guys. We're going to drink these beers. It's 11:15. I know I'm a party pooper, and people are like, you're in Vegas. You should be partying all night long. But I've been doing a lot of business stuff, looking at townhomes, condos, trying to finalize the deal. I got the job. I had an interview and everything like that. So, you know, I've been doing a lot of business stuff. I've been partying some, but not like party, but it is crazy out there, guys. 4th of July, oh my God. It's probably the busiest this place has been for a little bit, you know. I mean, you can't even get on the elevator. You're like in a line for 20 minutes to get on the elevator. It's like, what is going on? Like, it's bad. So, I don't know. Hopefully they don't shut it back down after this, but hopefully I own a freaking home by then, and I'm working at the warehouse as an essential business, so I'll be fine with that, but still. And then Mom, the place that I'm moving in, can get a job probably near that plaza, so. But that's gonna be the end of day 6, guys. 6 days in Vegas. This is the longest trip I've ever taken. I really gotta crack down on the budget though now. Between food and gambling, probably $1,600 gone. Spent a lot on food though, actually. Even go to the freaking, like, getting a CVS crap's like 30 bucks. Yeah. Couple drinks and a couple sandwiches, $30. So, you know, we've been spending a lot on food, but that's right. So we're having fun. We still have our budget, of course, for the down payment and everything, so we're fine with that. But all right, we'll see you guys for 4th of July. Later.